My name is Nakanja Kozuwena. I'm from Chitante Hill School, Senior 2-1. What I've got in the iLead session, iLead has proven the right person I am. Because I was made inferior towards people's thoughts about me. They used to put me down in the way that people used to tell me, you can't do this, you can't do this. But the iLead has brought me about, because I actually pursued my visions. I used to be this kind of person who used to fear people to say something. I used to depend on people, but now iLead has proven the right person I am. I'm confident I can stand out now and speak, because I have got to get new friends. The iLead session has improved my self-confidence and self-esteem.